sodium chlorate.
Or what?
Chlorate.
Chlorate.
Table salt that we use is sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chlorate is NaClO4, so there's extra oxygen in it.
Uh-oh, gas is on.
Okay, so we're gonna melt it.
This is awesome.
We've melted the sodium chlorate.
What can gummy bears do?
Blow up.
Ready?
It's gonna turn into a.
Laugh for that gummy bear. Oh, we do this every day.
Again!
Why did that happen?
Wait, so she.
I don't
Oh,
know.
got it.
What
What do you think?
What's in a gummy bear?
What is in a gummy bear?
Sugar.
Sugar. A
Water.
lot of sugar, right? So when we eat sugar, our body takes that sugar and transfers it into energy. In this reaction, the oxygen was reacting with the sugar and the energy was released in heat and light form.